don't even remember.
We are here today to welcome you one and all to the Festival of the Lion King. In this land, we welcome you. Caribou, welcome. Everyone, listen. I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Timon, glad you could make it. We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friends. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Pumbaa!
Look at me! I'm in a parade!
And you're looking good. Love you, Pumbaa!
What odds?
Sweet bubble, sweet da-da-da-da-da.
Sweet
Timon!
Hey everyone, look, it's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba, you're right on time!
Hey, guys! It looks like we're all here! Let's go!
Let every creature of the world can sing. Let's hear in the herd along the way. It's gonna be King Simba's life. Simba's finest fling. Oh, I just can't wait.
Come on, everybody.
All together now,
1, 2, 3. Here I come. Big star coming through. Big hand on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside. That's enough. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. They Maestro, if you please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Popo, what are you doing over there? My little legs can't make it down off this float. Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other. Hors d'oeuvres. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata.
tenacity spanning, decades of denial, simply why I don't the king undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bared.